How to use Taco Bell gift card on Uber Eats. So if you want to use Taco Bell gift card on Uber Eats, normally if you wanted to use a gift card, you'd open the Uber Eats app, go to the account section and go to the wallet section here and go to add payment method and just go to gift card and simply enter the gift code and tap on the save option to save the changes, right? This is how you would do, but unfortunately Uber Eats doesn't accept restaurant gift cards, which also includes Taco Bell gift cards. However, you can use the Uber Eats or Visa gift card on the platform, and when paying for Taco Bell through Uber Eats, you can use digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay, debit card or credit cards, or Taco Bell e-gift cards. But unfortunately, you are not able to use a third-party restaurant's gift card. So I hope this video helped you understand the question. If you have got any more queries, then feel free to, of course, leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end, and as always, see you soon in the next video.